All right, Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. What a beautiful day it is. You know, it was on Saturday. I was downtown on the waterfront with the Digicel Foundation for the International Coastal Cleanup Day. And I want to thank Digicel Foundation for inviting myself, Talk Up Youth, and all of the other volunteers, over 200 people, to talk about cleaning up Jamaica, cleaning up our coastline, and just not dirty up Jamaica. And they're always doing some great initiative, right? So today, my people, my people, my people, Chief Executive Officer of Digicel Foundation, Carleen Dawson, joins us. Good morning.
Good morning.
Digicel is a household name. Digicel Foundation, we see it everywhere.
Yes.
Carleen, how long have you been at the head of the foundation?
Just 6 months.
Just 6 months. But you went in knowing already the work that the foundation has been doing.
Yes, because I actually worked for Digicel for 17 years. And I was on the foundation board for 9 years. So,
what is the mission of the foundation?
Wow. Basically, to give back to Jamaicans. Our patron, Dennis O'Brien, is very committed and passionate. I mean, he loves Jamaica and fell in love with Jamaica when they came 17, 18 years ago. And that was his mission, to give back to Jamaicans who were so loyal to Digicel.
Yeah.
And he's also very integrally involved in Special Olympics in Ireland. So it's really a passion for him, and he's committed to really giving back.
And I see that
possible.
the team is continuing and delivering that passion and that dream to serve our special needs children.
We're honored to do it.
5K runs. I haven't done one. I told you the other day. I know. I told you the other day, like, it's this big fad, and I've been starting to get fit. So maybe I can make it.
You can.
But you know, you have a 5K run coming up.
Yes.
And tell us, it's not the first one, but tell us about the 5K runs that Digicel Foundation has been putting on over time, and where are we going this year, 2018?
Well, this is our 7th run this year. We started in 2013, I believe, downtown, or 2012, downtown, because we had just recently relocated to our building downtown. And we're very committed to giving back to special needs. As you know, that's one of our areas that we focus on. So, you know, the board got together and said, how could we, you know, for one, you know, just become neighbors, good neighbors downtown, and also, you know, I guess fortify our passion to give back. So we decided a 5K run to raise proceeds for special needs beneficiaries, and that's what we've been doing for the 6 years, and we'll do again this year. And we decided also to do it at night because, you know, Digicel always comes with something interesting and new and innovative, and it has really done well.
Well, we're looking at the video here. It's very exciting.
Yes.
Looks like it's more than just running, Carleen. I see children there having a good time. I mean, this is more than just a run.
One other thing, as I said, Digicel always comes with something new and fun. We do something called the Fun Zone. So if you're not, you know, into the running and doing your best time, we have some activities along the run that you can take part in, such as sliding in paint, jumping over wheels, jumping through hoops. So, you know, there's something there for everyone.
Yes. You know, I want to just tell Jamaica that I have witnessed and I recognize that Digicel Foundation has people with special needs. I always call them with the special abilities.
Right.
Working in your organization as well. So you don't just do this for it, you live it.
Of course, we have to. We have to, you know.
Let's talk about how much money you want to raise.
Wow, 15 million?
Yes.
How about that?
How about 20?
I mean, sure.
How about 30?
As much as we can, because, you know, it's going for a good cause.
Exactly.
All the proceeds go towards our beneficiaries.
Okay. You can sign up at www.runningeventsja.com if you want to run for special needs. Tell us a little bit about the beneficiaries in the past and the beneficiaries of this 5K run happening October 6th.
Well, we've this year we have 7 beneficiaries. Throughout the years, we've tried to do 5 to 7. I think one year we actually gave to 10. You need to know the names of those?
It'll be nice to know, because I think it's more than what you're doing. This is about starting the culture of committing to support special needs. So you're spearheading this.
Right.
But let's put the special focus on some of the beneficiaries that may need additional assistance.
Sure, and they really do. This year we will be giving our proceeds to the Jamaica Association on Intellectual Disabilities, Early Stimulation Program, Community-Based Rehabilitation Jamaica, Jamaica Autism Support Association, Jamaica Society for the Blind, Jamaica Down Syndrome Foundation, and Promise Learning Center. And we do have some repeat beneficiaries because they do have the need. And it goes towards training, you know, parent support, just basically to daily operations. Jamaica Society for the Blind, for example, we had given some previous years before, and they use some of the grant towards scholarships for blind students, you know, so it's put to good use, and we love being able to just, you know, provide support and also to bring awareness to Jamaicans, you know, that there is a need out there, special needs, they're a part of our community, and certainly they're disenfranchised, and we see the need to keep that momentum going, you know, in terms of letting you know they're there. And for example, I was going to take my team to Victoria Pier, beautiful building just renovated, and as you know, one of them is in a wheelchair, Jannard, and we were going to go to Gloria's, and we realized there's no wheelchair access. So these are the things we're trying to get Jamaicans to know special needs. Think about that.
Jannard is amazing.
Awesome.
I've interacted with him in business. He works at Digicel Foundation. He is in a wheelchair, and he's one of the best performing team members.
He is.
One of the best.
One of our integral
One of your very
team
integral,
members.
and he's very good, professional. And I tell people all the time, don't make your so-called disability be an excuse for not achieving greatness.
He's a great example of that. He's integrally involved in the planning for the 5K, all our events. He manages the volunteers. I mean, it goes off without a hitch. So.
Now, this is so feel good this morning. You know what I mean? So how do we sign up? We go to runningeventsja.com. And we just, like, is there a cost? Take me through the process of becoming a part of this.
We have an early bird registration fee of $1,200 that ends on Friday. However, on social media, follow us on social media, and from time to time we'll have this offer where you can pay $1,000 to register. Because after Friday, the registration fee goes up to $1,500.
Okay, that's for individuals.
Yes.
How do we sign up as a group?
Okay, if you sign up as a group, actually the foundation can facilitate that for you. So you can call us at 619-5179, and we will take care of that for you, because there are special forms that we can fill out and get you. The more the better. So certainly, give us a call if you have a group.
They're going to wrap, so 15 seconds, we're going to go fast. Can you bring kids?
Yes.
Is there food?
Yes.
Is there water?
Water, concert, entertainment.
What time does it start?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
Come early because the road's closed.
Will you be running?
I'll be working probably, unfortunately.
Somebody has to do that part.
Yes.
Yes, that's what you're doing as CEO.
Yes.
We're glad you're working.
Thank you.
CEO of the Digicel Foundation, Carleen Dawson. Support them and sign up for a very special cause. And if you're watching and you have a special need, do know that there are people out there that care about you, that support you. Just keep shining, keep being bright, because it's not about a disability, it's about your ability. And I love you, and we appreciate all our folks out there watching with special needs, all right? You're superheroes. Now, my people, we've got some earthquake tips on the other side of the break, so stay tuned. This is Smile Jamaica. I'm Empress Golding. This is the greatest morning show in the world. And hello to Benji, our floor manager, who's saying to me, rap, rap, rap. That means we'll be right back. We're going to take a break.